suffering. Life has come this way. Life has come this way. Still in the life of the wrong, we all moved along. Another life evolved in gestation, and so we made our way with the mistake we made. She was just a picture of and so she walked in the baby's room, knowing what she would do. Leave me in absolute horror. She put her hands on its lips and gave it one last kiss. Until your rapture falls to pieces. Until your rapture falls to pieces. Find me the room to breathe. Simple things like suffering. And I would destroy you, God. Yes, I would if I could destroy you, God. Because you're born again. Until you're born this must be, then burden with me anything.